Self improvement is keeping you stuck. If you have watched more than 30 self improvement videos in your life, there is a good chance this video is about you. And here is the uncomfortable truth. The reason you are not moving forward not be laziness. It might not be lack of motivation. It might not even be lack of discipline. The real problem could be that you are spending so much time learning how to improve your life that you have stopped actually improving it. Think about it. You watch videos about focus, videos about discipline, videos about productivity, videos about success, videos about confidence, and for a few minutes after watching them, you feel amazing. You feel motivated. You feel like you are finally going to change your life. But then a few hours later, everything is exactly the same. Same habits, same routine, same problems, and then the next day you watch another video hoping that this one will finally be the thing that changes everything. But it never does. And that's because most people have fallen into a trap they don't even realize exists, the self improvement trap. The trap where learning starts replacing action. Let me explain. Imagine someone wants to get fit. The obvious solution is simple: start exercising. But instead, they spend weeks watching fitness content, best workout plans, best diet plans, best exercise, best supplements, best morning routines. After a month, they know everything about fitness, but they still have not started working out. Now they have more information, but they don't have more results. And the same thing happens in almost every area of life. People want to start a business, so they watch business videos. People want to improve their focus, so they watch productivity videos. People want confidence, so they watch confidence videos. People want discipline, so they watch discipline videos. And eventually they start feeling productive just because they are consuming useful information. But information is not progress. Always remember, information is only useful when it turns into action. And this is where things get dangerous, because learning feels productive. It feels like you are doing something important. You are taking notes, saving videos, highlighting quotes, reading books, listening to podcasts. And because all of that feels productive, your brain gives you a small reward. You feel like you have accomplished something. Even though nothing has actually changed in real life, your brain can't always tell the difference between preparing to do something and actually doing it. That's why many people stay stuck for years. Not because they don't know enough, but because they never execute what they already know. The truth is, most people don't need another productivity hack. They don't need another motivational speech. They don't need another morning routine. They need action. Because let's be honest, you already know most of the things you should be doing. You know you should sleep on time. You know you should spend less time on your phone. You know you should exercise. You know you should focus on important work. You know you should stop procrastinating. The problem is not knowledge. The problem is execution. And there is another reason people get trapped here. Learning is safe, action is uncomfortable. When you are learning, there is no risk. Nobody judges you for watching videos, nobody criticizes you for reading books, nobody laughs at you for taking notes. But the moment you start doing something, things become real. Now there is a chance you will fail. Now there is a chance you will make mistake. Now there is a chance people will want spot you. And because action feels uncomfortable, many people keep hiding inside learning phases. They keep telling themselves, I will start when I learn a little more. I will start when I am ready. I will start when I have a better plan. But there is the problem: you will never feel completely ready. Nobody does. Most successful people did not start because they felt ready. They started because they were tired of waiting, and they figured things out along the way. That's how progress actually works. You don't get clarity before action, you get clarity because of action. Think about riding a bicycle. You can't learn it by watching videos forever. At some point, you have to get on the bike. You might fall, you might look stupid, but that's how learning happens. Life works exactly the same way. And there is something I have noticed. A lot of people are addicted to self improvement content in the same way others are addicted to entertainment. One person scroll memes for 3 hours, another person watch productivity videos for 3 hours. Both feel different, but neither moved close to their goals, because at the end of the day consumption is still consumption. The content might be useful, but it never becomes action. It's just another form of distraction, and that's why 1 hour of focused work will always beat 5 hours of self improvement content. One workout beats 10 fitness videos, one page written beats 10 videos about writing, one business attempt beats month of business research. Action creates results, consumption creates comfort. So, what should you do? Simple. Stop trying to learn everything. Pick one thing, just one, and work on it consistently. If you are learning about discipline, apply one lesson today. If you are learning about fitness, do one workout today. If you are learning about business, take one step today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because your life changes when action starts, not when information arrives. And before ending this video, I want you to ask yourself one honest question. How much of the self improvement content you have consumed this year have you actually applied? Not watched, not saved, not liked, applied. Because that answer will tell you exactly why you are getting results or why you are still stuck. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. Less learning, more doing. See you in the next video.